Number 1. Keith likes to blank a soccer ball off his head. Bounce, inventor, imagine, observer. Number 2. Jason is a good blank and enjoys watching birds. Bounce, inventor, imagine, observer. Number 3. Thomas Edison was the blank who invented the light bulb. Bounce, inventor, imagine, observer. Number 4. Mandy likes to blank what her dream house might look like. Bounce, inventor, imagine, observer. Number 5. 2 or more words close together that begin with the same sound. Rhyme, limerick, alliteration, free verse. Number 6. Words that end with the same sound. Rhyme, limerick, alliteration, free verse. Number 7. Using your 5 senses to imagine something. Rhyme, imagery, alliteration, free verse. Number 8. A type of poetry with no rhythm or rhyme. Rhyme, limerick, alliteration, free verse. Number 9. This is an example of what type of poetry? Birds by Reese. The birds are like flying flutes, making a nice song. Limerick, free verse. Number 10. These words blank with one another. Cat, bat, rat. Rhyme, free verse, imagery, text features.